Welcome back, friends. I'm writer, director, producer Jeremiah Long. You just got your free downloadable Canva template so that you can make a booked it graphic every time that you book a new role. Let me show you how to use your template. So click your link and it's going to take you to canva.com. If you don't have a Canva account, go ahead and sign up for one using your email. It's completely free and takes about 5 seconds. All right, now once you've created your Canva account, click on the link and then you'll see this page. At the bottom, click Use Template. This is going to take you into your Canva account and load up a brand new version of the template itself. Now, all you have to do is update the materials to reflect your particular job and what it is that you've done. So first things first, go to the left and hit Upload Media, and let's upload a picture of yourself. For this, I'm going to use my bro, Brandon Bell. Here you go, click the headshot, open, and then it's going to load that headshot to the side. Now, do you see the area over here where it's got a cloud and the ground? That is a place to drop your photo. So all you have to do is click and drag your photo over, and boom, it goes directly into the spot. Now, if you need to adjust the photo, click it one more time, hit crop, and then just slightly adjust it so that it fits exactly where you want it into the template. There we go. Now, what type of role did you book? Let's say that you booked a SAG national commercial. Here you go, just edit the text. Under actor's name, just put your name. This is Brandon Bell. Brandon is based in Atlanta, Georgia, and he is with East Coast Talent Agency at the moment. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and put Atlanta, GA. You could also put the name of your talent agency if you have one. Like for him, it would be East Coast Talent Agency. That's really it. Now, all you have to do now is download it. Go to the upper right corner and hit download. Then select whether you want to do a PNG or a JPEG. A JPEG is very small and a PNG is very high quality. I'm going to do a PNG, hit download, and that's it. You are done. Save it somewhere that you like, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you need anything. I hope you enjoy your template.